Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is White Cat.
Hi, White Cat. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Like a White Cat. Where do you live?
I live in Tamil City with my family, my grandparents, my parents, and me.
Okay. All right. So let's start our test.
Yes,
All the best. First, let's talk about health. I want you to give me some advice about health. Okay. I've got temperature. What should I do?
you should stay at home. You shouldn't go to school, and you should rest.
I've got flu. What should I do?
Should you should drink some warm. You should drink some warm waters, and you shouldn't go outside.
I feel tired. What should I do?
You shouldn't watch films or watching. You shouldn't watch films, and you should take some rest or go to bed.
Okay. Now, White Cat, do you have any unhealthy habits?
Yes, I do. I sometimes stay up late.
Okay. Is it easy to keep fit where you live?
Yes, it is because there's many par- there's there are many parks and gyms. The weather here is good for to do exercise too.
And how important is it to eat healthy foods?
We can stay healthy, keep fit, and we can live a long life if we eat healthy food.
Good job. Now let's talk about your city. Can you please describe your city?
I live in Tamil City. It is a small but very beautiful city in Ninh Bình province at the north of Vietnam. My city has many things such as supermarkets, houses, buildings. The air in the city is fresh because we grow many trees. The streets are clean, white, and green. The weather in Tamil divides into four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The people here are friendly and helpful.
Okay. Now, what's the most interesting about your hometown?
The most interesting in my hometown is the specialties such as pineapple, a delicious fruit, and fate peach blossom, a beautiful flower for tea.
Okay, thank you. Now look at this map. I want you to show me some directions, okay? I'm here at number 3. Can you please show me how do I go to excuse me? How do I go to theater?
Sure, first you go straight to the roundabout, then you turn right, and you go past the library, the petrol station, and the theater is here on your right.
Thank you. Okay, I'm here at number 1. Can you show me how do I go to the bank?
You go across the river, then go straight. If you see the museum, then you turn left.
You turn?
You turn right. Then you go straight when you see the bank on the right.
On your?
The left.
Yes. Thank you. Now, White Cat, I want you to tell me about a strange animal.
Okay. I want to tell you about the strange animal. It is lives in the forest in Britain. It is have a half body of It has a half body of woman and half body of horse. His jaw and it's big, but it can't fly. If called Safter. At
Center.
center, there isn't any pictures. There aren't any pictures or photos about it, and it is just a story.
Okay. Tell me, White Cat, do you like animals?
Yes, I do because they are loyal and they are friendly. They can help us a lot.
And what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat because they are fluffy and cute. And they help me to protect the house by the mice
Okay. And why do people keep pets at home?
because the, the pets can help them to protect their house and they are friendly.
Okay. All right, White Cat, that's all for me. Thank you. Hi, everybody. I'm Teacher Jay from Amaster English Center, and this is my student White Cat. She is a brilliant student with very good speaking skills and thinking skills. She is very good at using vocabularies as well. So far, she's doing great. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye,
Bye,
White Cat.
teacher.